Okay, I'm going to show you today how to record your screen using a Chrome extension called Screencastify. So we're going to look for it here in Google. So Screencastify, we're going to click on Add to Chrome and make sure you are in your Chrome browser. It'll follow the steps, just add to Chrome. And then yes, just add the extension. Okay, now it has been added. You'll see that I have it up here saved now so that we can use it. So if I wanted to record my screen here, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And I have to sign in with Google first. I'm using my Google account, so I'm going to go ahead and just sign in. I'm going to give it permission to access my drive because that is where the files will be saved. So step 1, camera, microphone, drawing, and annotation tool. So I'm going to allow it to use both. An educator. Okay. I learned about it through social media. Here's an overview video, how to make your first recording. Go unlimited will cost you some money, so for now we'll stay to just using this. So we're going to go ahead and go to another tab, and now we're going to start recording. There's a 5-minute limit per video. If you upgrade, you can get more. Right now, because of the coronavirus issues, everybody has unlimited recording or 15 minutes or more. I can't recall the exact number, but you can always make a part 1 and part 2 video. So there's the browser tab if you just want to record this tab. If you want to do your desktop or the webcam only, just your face. Here it would test your microphone. You can see it's working here. You could choose which one it's going to use. I'm going to choose the default one. And if I wanted to show my face in the video, then I would do this one. If not, I'm going to leave it unchecked. And I'll start recording, and it's going to ask me, do I want my entire screen or a certain application window? I'm just going to do my entire screen. Select it and press share. You'll see that there's a countdown. Up here, you'll see there's a red button, meaning that it's recording. So if you wanted to show your students how to use Google Classroom, or you wanted to go through a slideshow that you created for them, you could go through the presentation. So I'll do them with you just to kind of show you what that would look like. So let's say I'm doing, here's one, tips and tricks. And so I would present my screen and I can talk about it. Maybe these are different things that I have wanted to teach my students. Google Drive, maybe I can talk about it, I can show pictures. I can go to the next slide and just continue with it. I could also show them maybe a website. Maybe I wanted to show them how to use, I don't know, a virtual field trip. And show them what I'd want them to go do. And then I can go through a little tutorial with them and show my students what to do and then post this on Google Classroom. The nice thing about Screencastify is that it allows you to save everything to Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing. And now you'll see it says, it'll give you a little tour. Let's go through the show me around. I can trim my video down here if I want to cut certain parts off. I can put my title up here. So let's see. Then it'll copy to Google Drive automatically, so it's already going to be saving. And I can copy shareable link and literally just drop it into Google Classroom or email or Parent Square, whatever you're using. Okay. It'll actually let you go straight to your Google Classroom or publish straight to YouTube as well. And then you can also choose to download it so that you can do whatever you want with it later. You can save it to your desktop. Let's see. Okay, and some editing features allows you to do different things with it. And that's basically the gist of it. So it's saving to Google Drive now. Once it's done saving, I get to copy the shareable link and it'll live in my drive. So I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, and so it says copy shareable link. So I can do that. And I can post it wherever I want to post it now. So I'll show you what that would look like if let's say I'm going to post it in an email. So I can go to my email, can send it to myself, let's say. And I'm going to simply press Control Paste or Control V depending on what you're using, what device you're using. So here you'll notice at the end of my link says view. That gives permission for anybody to view it. So the sharing permission is already set for you. Okay. So what you'll do is then you can share to Google Classroom, you can publish to YouTube, and it gives you more options that you can do with it. There's a send an email. You can also download it. You can also just choose to save the audio version, which is really great. Okay, and you'll see that I have the video here in my Google Drive. I would probably create a folder. In the folder, you can call it Screencastify, or you can call it Unit 1, or whatever this unit is about, or this lesson. And then you'll have to find it, and it'll be saved here, and you can go back to your drive and move it. So I'm going to right click and move to saved in my drive. I have to look for it in alphabetical order. I think I did this one. So I'll move here. So now if I go find it, my video is here. Now I forgot to name it, so it'll look like this, but you can also right click here and press rename and call it Unit 5 Bears. And then this is a link that you can now grab, right click it, get shareable link. You can also just share directly. There you have it. That's how you use Screencastify. Thank you.